Welcome. Welcome back. So we are still leptosing today. Just the only thing I want to simplify. I want to simplify how it works. First off, I want to make sure that my tailwind stuff works. That would be the first thing first. Like, it irks me in a bad way. How about if I Firefox the index.html? Wait. Do some stuff. Whatever. And that would be class stuff and color PG red 200. What was it? Trunk serve open. Sounds about okay. So now how about if I dude. So the problem with my tailwind works fine, but don't know if I like it more as a command or as a like it more of MPX just because that would mean less annoyances. So here's the stuff. And now if I say big red 200, yeah, see, but this guy won't load it. Oh, that's interesting. Leptos tailwind. Tailwind is it allows you to style, blah blah. This allows you to write comments like this. Can be a little complicated integration at first, but you just have to check out the two examples how to use tailwind. Client side, server side. You can install Tailwind using npm. If you're rather not using npm, you can install binary here. Set up VS Code and addition. If you're using VS Code, add the following in your condition. Install Tailwind Testnet. Install VS Browser. All right. I also need to add the HTML. Okay. That my work. Because now I have HTML, JS. How about if I also add aras? Now still irks me because if the file gets completed, and it should work, you know? Like if the file gets completed, it should Motherfucker. One thing which I'm curious about. Okay, still works, yeah? Somehow. Okay, BG red. Okay, it gets. It does get odd, but it doesn't work in here. Let's see if I add something over here right now, like the style. But how about like the buttons? Class equals BG red 100, so to speak. Okay, simply won't read. But in general, I simply won't load my. So files, transform, arrest the content, replace class. Okay, this is interesting. It's inside the content portion. I don't have a formatter for JavaScript. Does this do anything? Doesn't look like it. Libs, apps. I don't quite understand where style sheet. We have to. Does it have to be loaded inside here for it to be working? Dude. Okay. Flat routes, static, style sheet. Ah, okay. So that's a component. Not what I was thinking about. Brother, thanks. Okay, we were saying. Let's get back to the source code. Okay. No, okay, so I need the client side fact. So this is the LSP integration, which doesn't really mean shit. Like the only way that I believe that this doesn't work is because I didn't put it into style. So he imports it inside the app. Style sheet ID Leptos, who cares? href style output CSS. So, but where does this get defined? Seen earlier that this guy, like I can't just grab this. This is a style. Can I import it? Because it won't find it to be imported. Doesn't look like it does. Leptos meta, perhaps that's the one. Use Leptos. It's Leptos or Leptos? Meta. Did this fix it? So I have prelude. So route static. Like this meta file, where is it? It's bound to be somewhere, right? Leptos DOM, macro, Leptos meta. So it isn't here. So it's a crate. Oh. To set HTML data in Leptos web framework. Well, let's try. I mean, one more can't hurt. Leptos meta. Yeah. And now we would want to add dot style. Well, first off, it gets seen. At least it is being seen. But it won't be loaded. Oh wait, I see. I understand now. Make Rust static content. Leptos static. Now this doesn't work because I'm stupid. I'm not loading. I'm not loading my content, my static content. That's why. Well, what the damn hell? I do load. No, okay, see. So that's the big deal. Okay, I see. I remember it because I had the same problems in Golang. Had the exact same problems that I wasn't seeing any style. And then I checked the static folders and I was not putting out anything. Which means somewhere in here there's a paragraph about static content. Like a general idea is that I see that there's this folder called style. But even more general idea, I want it to be called static and call it a day. Probably can you remove that? Yeah, because that would be style href. So I don't see yet anything out of the sorts. How about... Sorry, there's no like in the toml file meta router gluenet core error. No, 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 no. It does won't load my style file. The example is borrowed from Leptos example. The actor rely on the entire Leptos repository local available. Instead, the repository meant serves as a standalone template. So template something a tailwind is CSS and cargo Leptos. Cargo Leptos. If you don't have cargo Leptos installed, you can install it. Then run cargo Leptos watch. Man, this is a lot. Just make Leptos start. Like, can't I just set something to be loaded? I literally need to understand how this loads. Blah, 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 blah. Here's what this Tailwind is a popular. This allows you to write stuff like this. It can be a complicated to set up the Tailwind integration at first, but you have to check out the examples how client side. CargoLabs has also some built-in support that you can use to alternate to Tailwind. Yeah, the simplest way to get started with any quick start is found in the README, for example. Most of the use trunk or cargo leptos. Use cargo make, prerequisites, Rust, cargo make. Yeah, this is not it. So does this ever make it out. Link data trunk. Now that's interesting. Data trunk. Okay, so this was the big deal. That the import. Well, there we go. So I'm gonna G it. Don't need if I know. Don't know if I need to get the base CSS over there. Because what I care is the style. Yeah, I usually don't. So we can add it to the ignore file. It'll be echo tailwind inside the git ignore. And I can echo also the base CSS. That doesn't need to be here. Git ignore. Which now me, son of a bitch. They not. Oh, it probably git rm minus rf minus cached. Can't remember. Git remove cached. Git rm minus cached base.css. Okay. Now at this point, that looks better. Tailwind works. Wonderful. Now that we have the tailwind, I'm gonna stop using that. Maybe I should enable the CSS formatter. So conform. The only thing that I dislike about conform is I can't integrate it with Mason. So I'm gonna wait until they can. So JS, okay, no, I have the prettier and prettier. Oh, my bad. How about if I Mason install it? I think I can Mason install prettier and Mason install prettier. This is heavier. This is a kilogram of steel. By the way, the colors are shit. So it is here. Okay. We were saying that I can extend. I believe the what? The fuck is this shit? Well, okay. I believe that I can take out the colors, which would mean GitHub MR GitHub and my... What was it called? The Google was the app? Yay. And there was a way to get the colors, which is extend the colors. That would be Groovebox BG. And at this point, maybe I know it. Makes me curious. If I TS server install, does this change anything? This is JavaScript, by the way. So stuff should be working. I think it is simply because of this. But also, simply won't look like a JavaScript. Makes me wonder. Okay. And at this point, we can start to rewrite this and will be class equals groove box. Hello? Okay, deprecated. All right. Language server, local state lsp log. Little files. Get to get the version tried. Okay, so my LSP exploded for some godforsaken reason. Well, this is a bit of a problem. Okay, can get rid of pile line. Do the TypeScript. Lua pretty Peter Rust style what delve? The fuck is delve? Let's start by removing one of those two. How about if I remove the HTML LSP? Does this solve it? LSP restart. Okay, how about if I nuke it and start again? Yeah, it's not active. Goddamn son of a bitch. Tailwind LSP failed to get version. Do I need to downgrade? Okay, so I have to roll it back. Can I install with Mason one specific version? Help install, uninstall, update, check, cancel installation. Mason install specific version. Okay, Tailwind LSP. So 014. So this is 2 days ago. How about if I downgrade to 013? 012, I don't care. This is fixed TypeScript coding path in Windows. Gonna try to 0212. So Mason install Tailwind CSS 01218. LSP restarts. Another speaking. It doesn't work. But I swear it worked like yesterday, so. Hell, I swear it worked like 1 second ago. Oh, it's the Tailwind update that's a problem. Not the LSP. That doesn't explain why the HTML LSP doesn't work. However. Also, I don't understand why there should be in conflict. So they both can't get a version, but I guess that's not the big deal. npm install specific version. So, but this is 2 years ago. Like, why does it breaks? Okay. Great. Also, my stuff is stuck on. God damn it! Why does it always get stuck? I don't understand. It keeps getting stuck. So that's also probably I need to fix. God damn it! Today, not a single thing is working. Do I have like the code installed? I believe yes. Oh, by the way, I can nuke that folder. Amazing. Okay, so we were talking about code, yeah? Yeah. And we're going to install Tailwind. Okay, the IntelliSense stuff. But I could swear it worked! Like 1 second before. Didn't it? So this is Emmet. It's fine. Nah, bro, I think I'm getting crazy. Did it just stop working? Well, this is just great. How about if I don't know, I can try to sew it. By the way, let's see if I can clean it up, because there's a lot of stuff here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna Pac-Man sew. Doesn't look like Node is getting updated over here. Oh no. Can it be Node that breaks my stuff? Perhaps. I would want like not the latest one. I would like not the latest one, I like the stable. Install the Node.js package, which is on 23. But Node, the 23 is some new features sooner. Not if a long-term support, not just gonna the package manager. So the 22, the stable one. In worth a try. Sudo pacman as node js pacman install specific version. So the stable one would be 22.13.1. Isn't no one gonna tell me simply straightforward how this could be done? Install specific packages. So they have multiple versions of the package in different repositories. So install them from extra repositories. Specific version. Yeah, see, that's what I hate about the docs. It won't tell you pacman install specific version because they know where it is written, and it will always be like, hey man, you can just install it. Like, dude, I know I can, it's fine, I can just read the whole docs, or I can just ask someone to tell me, and we're gonna be done the same way, you know. This was my last SU. Wonder how much memory. So snapper delete 1 through 74. Be like 41. Okay, 42. I'm just looking at it. Well, that didn't. That didn't fix my memory. Still getting higher. Wait, I can't install a specific version? Pacman install specific version. And pass we node 22.13.1. Oh, okay, I need the Just downgrade and run. Downgrade node sudo pacman downgrade. That's the way. Pacman downgrade package. Ah, okay. So Arch says fuck all. Like that's the deal. Well, I never thought I'd have this kind of problem. I mean, I'm not even 100% sure this is the problem, no? But it should be running like node. Command local shell tailwind. No, it's not even a node, it's just an executable. Yeah. So this is a tailwind problem. Well, until it works, which it doesn't, by the way. Groovebox PG. Maybe I'm not watching it. Yeah, makes sense. Now this doesn't work, huh? Marvelous. What did I miss? Colors. Main background, yes. Don't think this line is needed anymore. Doesn't look like it's needed. Tailwheel extends, colors, yes. Main BG, yes. Does this fix? Does this fix anything? Oh no, wait, because I have to say like BG group box, I think. Yeah, I think there was a way to, there is a way in which it has to be said. Like main garbage. Yes, BG Groovebox BG. But it's not here. Sometimes when you do that, yeah, see, it will create it, which it doesn't. So also my tailwind config doesn't work, son of a bitch. Base style. Watchman. Not found. Brother in Christ. Okay, so at least this works. Oh, okay, so there's a new way. Set is CSS. Well, then fuck it. Then I don't. I need that file now. I swear, JavaScript, I you can use it for like half a day and then it stopped working. Away groove box. Just 28, 28, 28. Okay. Okay. That works. BG groove box. There you go. All right. Then text white. I think that how it was. That it was it. Yep. Let's say gray one. Gray to hunt sounds about better. Makes me wonder how the honestly groove box. I can just groove box it into anything and not care. It will solve my problems. Uh, gray, 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 gray. Fudge, fudge, fudge. What would be the like background? Red, green, yellows. Like I think I can get one of the lightest grays. ABDB B2. Into base and be like color groove text. That would be AD DB B2. And text would be groove text. See, it's a little bit more pleasant to the eye. Okay. And after we wasted so much time, we have most stuff working, except my LSP. Honestly, one thing I did not try NVIM minus V. I don't know which version we're at. So version 11 pre-release. Arch NVIM. So 10.3. That's okay because it looks like this. That's a quite far away version. Okay, then. That being said, I think I'm going to simplify how this works. Because the way he animates it doesn't quite. So I guess this is the first part. Advent of code. I want to do it in the most simple way possible. I don't want to just keep going into madness and madness. Oh, okay, that's why this animation works like that. Fair enough. So I don't believe that's bad as an idea. Don't want to copy it. Yeah, I didn't actually thought it through. How would this work? The whole concept, it's kinda cooked. Tell you what, today we're gonna be on a short one. Okay, so the ad start playing as I was saying it. But whatever, today is going to be a short one. I need to get going. I have a lot of stuff to do. So that's how it's happening. Okay. In case I'm not, I have to run. See you tomorrow. And not raiding play.